Hi there, welcome to Shaha Online Work Agency. Today I am going to talk about how to send invitation or hire other person as a manager from your channel. I just open my YouTube channel. I can see customize channel. I can see customize channel, and I just click customize channel. Then it is loading. Just wait a minute. Okay, customize channel. Then I can see sitting option. There is a option, that's sitting option. Sitting. I click sitting option. Then there is a permission. There is a permission option, and I click permissions. I click permission option, and there is the option invite. I want to invite other person to be my manager channel YouTube account as a manager. I just click invite, and then I can see email user email. The person by whom I want to hire as my. Then I input here my email address. The person who I want to share my want to hire my manager, and then I open manager access. I select manager. Send receiver email. There is a receiver email, the person who I want to hire as my manager. Then I select manager access. I input done, and then finally save option. I click done, then save option, save. Proceed. There is option and verify it's you. To continue your session, complete a brief verification. This extra step helps us to keep your account safe by making sure it's really you. If you want to verify me that it is my account, okay, no problem. Proceed. I click just proceed. I just click proceed. I input here my password. Then it is loading. It is loading, and verify checking it. Verify it's you. Check your ITEL S41. Google sent notification to your ITEL S41. Tap yes. The Google promote. Then tap 23 on your phone. Verify. Okay, I am checking my phone. Where is verifying? I have open two-step verification. So now I click yes, it's me. Verify from me. There is a two option, and then I click number. I click this number. My phone is showing 23. I click this number 23. Okay, I have just clicked number, and it is loading because I finally verify it, and it is loading, and it is safe. Now I am going to check the person who I have already sent manager access. Oh, it is invitation 0 minutes ago. Accept invitation. I open my accept invitation as a manager. I have sent this channel, this Gmail as a manager, and open it. Okay, switch channel. I just channel to your role manager. I just click switch channel. It is buffering, and okay, this is other Gmail hired as a manager. Then I click switch account. Manager. You are a manager. I just hired as a manager this account. I can control. Other person YouTube as a manager. I am hired as a manager. But your question can be that how can I remove manager access? Then I open again. I open permission, and I want to remove this person from my manager. I just open it and remove access. You can see remove access. I do not invite. I do not click invite. Now I click just below the invite manager, below the dot, and I just drop down below. Then I can see in the bottom, remove access, and I select remove access. Just you should select remove access. Oh, remove access. Save. It is loading, and I check. Oh, remove access. This access was removed. Thank you. This process you can hire other person as your manager.